Hi everyone, I got a couple emails in regards to this practice, so solving by factoring and ZPP, starting with number 3. So I'm going to go over number 3 and number 6. So for number 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this trinomial. So, sorry, it's a little messy. What I'm going to do is think of two terms that multiply to be negative 40x squared, and then they add to be negative 3x. So 10 and 4 won't work, maybe 8 and 5. I can make 8 and 5 into negative 3. I can put negative 8x here and 5x here. So that is what goes in these corners right here. And then I put my first term and my constant down here. So now I do the outside. So I have x times x, and then x times negative 8 and x times 5. So now I put it in factored form. So I have x minus 8 x minus 8 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. And then I use the product property. So I'm going to do it over here. So I have x minus 8 equals 0. So I'm going to add 8. So x is equal to 8. And then I also have x plus 5 equals 0. So I minus 5 minus 5. X is negative 5. So I have two solutions. Sorry about my penmanship. The next one I want to do is number 6 because it's a little bit different. Just remember you have to think about what you can factor out. So right here I can factor out a 6. So I'm left with 5n squared minus 2n. And then I can take out a n. So I have 5n minus 2. So now I'm going to put it in factored form. Sorry. A little messy. Promise I'll get used to this. So I have 6n times 5n minus 2 equals 0. So 6n equals 0 and 5n minus 2 is equal to 0. So right here n equals 0. And then this one I'm going to add 2. So 5n is 2. And then divide by 5. So 2 over 5 and 0. Sorry, it's really, really messy. But I want to do that really, really quick so you guys can finish your homework. Thank you very much.